Hey guys, excuse the mess. I just wrapped up the other video for the essential baby items haul of items that I got, and now I'm gonna come back and do the video of the unboxing of this. I already opened this part up, but I have not opened up the actual packaging. And then I'm gonna talk about how you can get a breast pump for free. I did get my breast pump for free through my insurance company, and I think it was specific to my area. I'm still going to drop that link below, but I'm also going to drop the link below to another company that I know will help you get a breast pump free through your insurance. So one thing that you can do is just go ahead and give the insurance company a phone call and say, hey, I heard you guys give out breast pumps for free. And what they did with me was they gave me a number to the company that I used. Yeah, it's One Natural Way, and the process was very easy. I just gave them my information, and I went online, plugged in my information, and they took it from there. I think I talked to them on the phone like once, maybe twice. Once for the breast pump and then once for the postpartum. I got both of those for free through my insurance. So you give them a phone call, or you go online and you fill in your information. That's what it was. We were emailing back, so I only spoke to them on the phone one time. They are very responsive. They text you. If you don't answer back, then they call you like, sis, hey, let's get this done. Like, they really want you to get those breast pumps for free. You do have to be careful because sometimes the insurance won't cover, depending on the pump, they won't cover the entire price, and then you'll have a balance left. Be mindful of that. Ask questions. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to voice those concerns so you can get the answers. Don't just be quiet and mess around and shut up, puppy. Don't be quiet and mess around and have a balance left over because you done picked out a pump that exceeded the price that they were willing to cover. So after you go online and you fill out the information and you go back and forth and you confirm the information with them, they send a prescription to your doctor. Now, the company that I went through, they actually reached out to the doctor for me. I didn't have to do anything. I actually just did it while I was at work. They were like, hey, we got your prescription. We'll send the pump out within the next couple of days. I got it 3 days later. Here it is. They gave me options. I got the Spectra, the portable Spectra. They gave me options as to what kind of pump that I wanted to do. So I went through and I did a whole bunch of YouTube videos, watched comparisons, which pump was better. And after all of that research, which I encourage you guys to do too, because I didn't know anything about these new breast pumps. So this is the Spectra Model 9 Plus. It's an electric breast pump. I chose this because I wanted a quiet pump that I could use while at work. I'm gonna primarily breastfeed, but I am a working mom, so I do need a pump so that I can stay on schedule and keep the milk supply going. So yeah, I got this. Let's open it up. So opening it up, you get left titty, right titty, you get a bottle, and then you get the hose, and then you get the pumps, and then you get the suction cups for both. And again, they give you 2 storage bottles. This thing is so small. It's so small. It's so small. This is the breast pump. I think it's the one. Charger and the manual. I'm gonna take this to the hospital when I go to the hospital. I know some people do, some people don't. I'm gonna do it just in case because I've had issues breastfeeding in the past, and I don't want that to happen this time around. Before, they kept my son away from me for about 12 hours because they said jaundice, and they kept him away from me for about 12 hours. By the time that I got him back, they had already formula fed him. Although I was very vocal about breastfeeding and that I wanted to breastfeed, they still fed him formula, and by the time I got him back, he would not drink my milk. My daughter, she was just extremely hard. I went back to work. I had her on a Friday. I went back to work and school on a Monday. So I think that was another, I'm hoping that was a contributing factor as to why I didn't produce any milk. This time around, I'm taking 8 to 10 weeks off. I'm not playing no jokes. Forget that 6 weeks. I saved up money. That's one of the reasons why I brought everything in the beginning, was because after that I wanted to meticulously save each and every extra coin so I could take 8 to 10 weeks off. I'm not playing. So here's the charger. So it does turn on because it's charged a little bit. Can you hear it? No, you can't. You can hear it just a little bit. It's so quiet. It has a few options that I have to learn. It's so quiet. I remember my old breast pump being so loud. I used to breast pump in this very room. This used to be my mom's room, and I used to breast pump right here. The bed was, she had like a king size bed though, like, so I would be like further towards the wall. Those are the settings. I don't know too much about the settings because like I said, it's been 10 years since I had a baby, so all of this stuff is pretty new to me. That's where you put the if you can see it, the light is terrible, so sorry about that, but this is where you put the hose connections. So I got that free through my insurance, thank God. And like I said, I already tried it in the breast pump bag and it fits perfect. I'm gonna open up the garment, which was the same process. After I received the breast pump, a couple weeks later they sent me a message saying, hey, you qualify for compression stockings. I guess that's supposed to help with swelling. She did not have any swelling. The only thing swelled up on me was my belly. And then they said that I could get a postpartum garment, which I was very interested in. So this is what they sent me. They sent this 3 days. I got this 3 days later. It was so fast. I don't even understand. I couldn't even get Macy's to send my damn clothes that quick. I'm still waiting on my clothes from Macy's, and it's a whole month and a half later. So opening it up, I should have requested a color, shouldn't I? I didn't think. I don't know why I didn't think. So this is what, this look big. So this is what they sent. I'm still probably gonna go out and buy my own, because this just don't look like it'll suck me in enough. So this is a size 16. It's supposed to go off of your previous pant size before getting pregnant. I was gonna say married. Look at me, wish I was married. So this is what it is. It's, the material feels a little firm. It's very flexible. I don't know. I think I might still buy my own garment. I really think I might buy my own garment. So there's the zipper, and then it connects. Got the hooks like the bra or a waist trainer. I already have a waist trainer, so I'm good there. Yep, it's considered an extra large. So that's that. So that is how you get a free breast pump and compression garments through your insurance. Well, at least that's my situation. I'm not sure if the other companies can swing that, or if your insurances will cover the compression garment as well. Again, I don't have a balance. This was the same process. A few weeks later, they called me up. They said, hey girl, they actually sent me a text. I ignored it because I was like, I'm gonna come back to this because I don't know my size. And then they called me because I wasn't responding, and she was like, sis, I can help you over the phone. I was like, okay girl. So that's that story, and now I have both of those, and I can cross those off of my list. Although I don't like the way this is my first time looking at it with you guys, so I just really don't, I don't know. It just looked too big. It looked too big. It really did. It looked too big for me. I mean, I am a big girl. I am a big girl. I always forget that I look good. So I always forget that I'm plus size. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in another video.